This new munch might be the crunchiest thing Nestle has launched yet. Hi guys, let's see if this new Munch Max Crunchies is actually worth your money. This costed me only rupees 40, but the real question is, would I buy it again? Okay, look at these tiny crunchy munch bites. You get the classic munch flavor with an extra crispy twist. Super crunchy, chocolatey, and honestly, hard to stop eating. For the taste, I would rate it an 8.5 on 10. For the crunch, a solid 10 on 10. Would you grab this or stick with the original one?